My name is Saksham Murat. I'm a finance intern at Teens Academy. Today I'm going to explain on topic analyzing common landscape into research. So analyzing common landscape into research is very crucial by understanding the competitive dynamics of the companies that are operating into the industry, and by doing this it will help the investors to make informed decision about the investments. Now I'll explain how common landscape industry is analyzed. So in this approach it starts with the industry analysis. First, you need to identify the specific industry the company is operating into. Then you understand the competitive dynamics and the growth perspective going forward. Then need to find out the market share of the industry. Bigger the market share, bigger the opportunity it will be. Then we need to evaluate the industry trends right now, that any technology disruption is happening. If it is happening, how it will impact the competitive or the industry dynamics. So next we need to do the company profiling by understanding the company's revenue model and what are products and services they are offering. So also we need to do the financial statement analysis compared to the peers. What are the competitive advantage going forward? What are the growth perspective of each company? So I'll explain the example of Air India. Recently, they bought 870 airplanes for $90 billion. So in this, they know that the growth going forward in the airline industry is huge. That the air traffic will only grow from here on each year. So by properly strategizing, they can capture the domestic market share of the Indo airline, which is around 60%, and also capture the market share of the companies, foreign companies operating into the industry, because we can see that international flights only have the only international companies are operating into the industry in industry. And so if they can properly strategize, they can capture the market share of the international companies that are operating into the industry, in Indian industry. So next we can do the competitive analysis by firstly identify the who are the competitors of the company, and then we can find out the market share of each company and what are their competitive advantage by doing the SWOT analysis. So they can find out what are strength and weakness of the company. So by doing this we can also find out the Porter's 5 analysis model, which we can find out by doing the analyzing who are the what are the bargaining powers of the suppliers and the buyers, who are the new threat entrants, who are the substitutes. So now I'll explain with example Alaska Airlines, who were recently entered into the Indian airline industry. Recently they posted the results which they say that they had the revenue of 600 crores, or which posted the loss of around 700 crores. This proves that it is a very heavy asset model in this industry. So only the proper competitive companies are already well established. They can only perform better than who are entering new in this industry. So in addition to this, we can analyze the regulatory framework and what are the recent developments and news happening in the industry. If it is happening, then what is the management and their strategies going forward. Then we can find out the financial analysis. By doing this, we help the companies valued or undervalued compared to their peers. So overall, I say that the analyzing of the competitive landscape, it will help give the proper insights to the investors, which can make the proper informed decision about the investments. Yeah, that's it. Thank you so much.